All right, you know what day it is. Just got the TacPack in, so let's open it up and see what we got. First thing is I already opened it all so that we can just hurry and go through it, not waste any of your guys' time. We got the Gun Boss AR-15 field kit. So this is pretty nice, solid case, and it has everything you need right up inside. So as you can tell, nice little holders. These don't come out either, so that makes it convenient. But swabs on the back. Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, swabs on the back. Yeah, little AR-15 field kit. Very nice. I mean, very compact. I'll definitely be putting that in my, range bag ASAP. Yeah, not too bad. AR-15 range kit. Second, we have some hand cleaner. So I think this will be useful because when I clean my weapons, I don't really use gloves or anything. So all that oil and the grit, the grime, and everything, hopefully will be easy to get off with that hand cleaner. Next is the Timber Creek 15-inch handguard. So this looks pretty good. I don't know how well the back it's going to be able to pick. Oh, there you go. This looks pretty good. The stippling's really good on that. Very lightweight, so I'll be excited to try that out as well. Of course, it's standard M-LOK and Picatinny rail system, so yeah, not too bad. And next is the upside down. But next is the AR-15 magazine well. That will be very nice. I actually was going to buy one of these last week, and thank you, Jesus, that I didn't, because I got one in the TacPack. So that will be nice. This next one is actually pretty sweet. I think it's the EDC mat. You can see very, very low. The topography lines on this are very thick. So that'll be nice. Just in general, it's kind of cool little detail that they did. But this is by Tactica. Very thin. I don't know if you can see how thin that is, but very thin. Yeah, that'll be nice. The sticker of the month, of course, they had to go Mandalorian style. Not too crazy. I think they did a good job this month at sticking to one platform as far as they're not all over the place. I think the AR theme this month was actually pretty cool and very useful, especially if you have rifles or you're building one or whatever the case might be. But yeah, I thought that this month sticking to the AR-15 theme was great. So good job, TacPack. Look forward to next month. Let me know what you guys think. If you got the TacPack as well, did you like what they had in it? Do you like what you see here? Drop a comment. Let me know. And yeah, we'll see you next month with another TacPack review. So until then, stay alert and God bless.